FS Gojo Mental, and we're back again with another banger.
Yes, sir.
Yo, man, as you guys can see today, we're here, guys. So we brought the JD. We're gonna turn this one into a matte black. And you guys are gonna see afterwards. Yo, nah, it's too much.
So now what's gonna happen with this one, dog?
This one. This one we're gonna see, dog. We're gonna see. What's good, YouTube? Today we brought the jelly. I don't know if you guys can see it. Came with the X6 for wrapping. I want you guys to see. It's gonna be mad crazy, dog. I'm gonna show you guys everything once it's done. We're gonna leave it here for a few days.
A fucking goat outside.
It's just a goat.
No, it's a fucking goat.
Let's go, Joe Mental. We're back again, guys. This is July, first week of July, Friday. Hope you guys are good. It's been long. But honestly, guys, before we start the session, I want to say that what we've been promising you guys is finally here. It's finally time now, guys. For the previous 6 months, we've been promising you guys that we're going to officially start funding our students. We're going to officially start helping our students to make money, and that's exactly where we are right now, guys.
So today, guys, we are choosing
five.
We're choosing five students to get funded.
And next week we'll review.
We're gonna review them, and then we can do morning sessions and late sessions. So in the morning session, we review. If you're available, it's gonna depend on your work time, guys, how busy you are. But if available, we can have a certain time of the week, can be even a Sunday.
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Yeah,
just review Sundays. And from there, during the week, that's where we choose the funded traders. So you guys are getting funded by us. We're going to be buying your challenges for you. And in the same time, guys, those who are not chosen, you can also still buy a challenge yourself. But we're going to teach you guys everything you need to know, how to become part of the 2%, like how to be where we are today, why we got to a point whereby we don't need to sell you guys any services. You don't have to ask you for any money whatsoever, but we can just help you, and you guys are going to be profitable. You guys, we told you, you're going to be our biggest flex this year.
Yes, sir, guys. So we're saying we're going to start choosing funded people. We're also going to give you guys some analysis. So do you want us to first start by giving you guys the lesson on how to pass challenges? Because it's going to get you guys funded. You need to learn how to pass those challenges so that you're able to make money. So
would you want to start the review, or you want us to start teaching you first how to pass challenges, how it goes, everything you need to know, all the tips? Lessons are needed. Okay. Kanisani.
All right, lesson first, guys. Done with the lesson. I'm going to teach you guys.
You heard.
Pass programs, right?
Okay, guys, first things first, today, I'm not trying to brag or anything, guys. Like, I'm literally not trying to brag. We're able to make over 100K profits today, guys. And I don't want to tell you this as if I'm flexing, but I'm showing you guys the possibilities. And the funny thing is that we're going to teach you all those tricks, how we're able to do that. This is how we're trading NFP, guys. I'm going to give you an approach on how we can do it. I'm also reading your chats, guys. I'm seeing all your chats here on the side. So this is what we had for gold, right? We were analyzing. You guys can see we were able to basically pass our challenge. We're now around 17,000 USD. You can see, right? Already we killed all the targets. We are now having this account to basically risk and make a lot of money. We're showing you guys how we use prop firms to be able to get you guys a lot of money by understanding how to leverage capital, right? We can get 10% returns in a week. You can even get to 100% depending on your risk management. It depends on where you are, how much you're willing to risk. I have like 6 accounts. So on this one, I was able to do this, bro.
I understand,
bro.
You are able to make 100 profits just like that.
Look at that. You guys saw that? You guys saw that? You guys saw that? You guys saw that? From 17.
117 to specific.
Yeah, guys, remember, you're going to start with the relative amount. You're starting first with what? $10,000. Right? I want to show you guys exactly how to pass this thing. It's very easy. Just that a lot of people didn't know. It's information, bro.
So that you know how to basically.
So this is account. This is a 10K account that we have. And I'm going to give you guys a nice trick on how to do this. There's basically 2 phases, right? We're also trying to get them to have phase 1 only, but that will be difficult. Maybe it can be in a few months. We don't know. So we're going to teach you guys how to basically get through all this very easy, get funded, and start trading like the goats, right? Remember, guys, if you're still trading small accounts this year, you're falling behind. Guys, I'm telling you the honest truth. There's nothing as difficult as trading a small account. That is the highest thing to do. So that is literally in some type of way holding yourself back, because guys, it becomes really difficult if you also try to cater for small accounts, because how can I show you what I did today if I have to cater for a small account?
Because
there's no possibilities. It's improbable. It's impossible.
Yes, guys, having a small account, it's hard for you to apply proper risk management and still have money to basically live off trading. So with ProFirms, you can still use 0.08, but still make money to survive on a monthly basis.
I'm going to use this as a
small account. We've tried two ways, guys, but the best way to actually be rich is to focus on big funds, double them easily, and then it's dollars, guys. Conversion rate, you're winning overall.
Yeah, but that's the thing, guys. I want you guys to understand something, right? We want to get all of you guys funded. Like, that is the goal. It's either you buy one or we fund you to the competition, but we want you guys to win, right? So we want your success by basically making sure that you guys are utilizing all the information we give you, right? So from now on, guys, please give yourself a new rule. We're no longer trading small accounts. You have to really try to change your life. So guys, I want to explain what's happening here, right? Phase 1 is currently 8% to win. I'm going to teach you guys exactly how we're able to crack this.
Simple.
But the funny thing is, we actually failed our first 2 accounts. Even though I'm skilled, but I had to understand how to utilize, like, big accounts. Let me tell you guys the honest truth. For you to become rich, you must start taking big risks with small money, right? For us, before, small risk was depositing small funds and try to flip it, but it was impossible. But that's the thing, guys. You taking a big risk with small funds, it's you buying a challenge. And from there, guys, you having big funds. When you have big funds, you take small risks. That is how you have consistency. That is how you're able to make, let's say, for example, 10% of 100K. You can live with that. But if you try to achieve more than 100% every week, like if you have a $10 account and you want to take it to 1,500, how much percentage are you really trying to target here? It's a lot. It's possible, but it's going to hold you back if you are not able to utilize the facilities that we give you guys. That is 100% how we know we're able to win. We were able to have access to big accounts because we were running business as well. But that's the thing, guys. So showing you guys big accounts can help you be able to make money faster, because the reality is what? Trading is one problem. Capital is another big problem that a lot of people will overlook, and it's the reality. We know when somebody's making a lot of money, like when we see Lemba Raoul trading 100K USD account, you're like, I understand. You're telling me, guys, you want to be like a financial trader, right? You want to be an institutional level. You want to trade like the banks, but you don't have $1 million to trade. How are you trading like the banks? You understand how the banks are winning? By understanding capital. They don't even use their own capital. They use our money. The same way we're trying to use ProFirms money. The banks are using our money. That's the same concept. So what we're teaching you guys is strictly going to be only for you. One thing I can tell you guys, I'm happy about the progress. We're going to explain everything, how to do that. And basically, man, stop trying to grow a small account. You're falling behind.
So yeah, man, I want to explain it. So how easy it is, guys, to know how to approach this and basically make a living while trading foreign accounts, right? To pass the first account, to pass the first phase, let's say you have a 10K account, the minimum, guys, the minimum trade you can take to have 8%. 8% is 800. So just have to only make 800, then you pass the first challenge. So a lot of people come with a big loss size, and exactly like that, they have lost. So
that's how they get you.
So this is how you need to target how to get 800. You get 800 by probably trading 3 times. They say they allow you minimum of 5 days. You can trade 3 times, so by even taking breaks in between. First day, you can try to use loss size 0.10, whereby you take only 2 trades. It can give you roughly 300 to 400 profits. Next day, you skip some few days, you trade again. Just like that, you apply positive rule and you pass the first challenge.
Let me tell you guys something. The nice thing about getting funded is because ProFirms force you to become a better trader. This is where people don't understand. We said, guys, trading a small account and a big account is the same thing. It's not about the account size, right? It's about having the trading skills. So now, this is how you master your trading skills. First thing you must know is risk to reward ratio. Another thing you must understand is risk management. You being able to note these things down, you can have money for long. Let me tell you guys something that we saw. There's also one of these guys that is also killing it. This is his account. I want you guys to see something, right? What he did here.
Look at this.
I want you guys to first look at the loss size. Look at the loss size. Look at the loss size.
This is a 100K account.
So this one, I think he risked once in a while. And that's what he made.
It's a 100K account. It allows sometimes that big loss size.
Do you understand the risk management here? It doesn't mean because you thought it's $800, you wanted to achieve it with one trade. I know the majority of you guys also wanted to do that. You said, I want to do $800 in one day. But let me tell you something. It's a double-edged sword. If you want to do $800 in a day, if it goes negative, you are out. You lost risk management. You don't know how to use funds. Even if you had $1 million, you will still lose it. I believe some of you guys are able to blow a 100K USD demo account because risk management is still the same. You don't know how to apply risk management.
Yes.
And that's what we're going to teach you. So how to pass the first one is $800. Don't try to achieve this in a day. Give yourself a weekly target.
Look at this.
So you can pass this in 5 days.
Keep in mind-
$800, you're not going to lose.
Yeah, keep this in mind. The maximum loss you can have is $500.
And guys, that
So-
$500 is added to your account on a balance basis. So if you move $500 more, it's going to be now 5% of what you have. It could be now 5%, which could be 10,000 if you made a lot of profits.
So that means
So now you've learned everything. Just take less more trades, apply risk management, you've passed. That is the stage. After this, you are done.
you're funded.
Now you're
You
funded.
relax out.
Now we get into the real part, guys, right? So that's the thing. I'm going to teach you guys exactly how to apply all of this. It's not really that much complicated. The only thing I can tell you guys is that, let's say, for example, right? I'm going to be honest with you guys. I failed my first 2. So if I find you the first time and you failed the first time, because sometimes as people, I know we learn through experience. Let's say we give you a challenge and we expect you to fail and you fail because you're still learning. We can do this. I can give you a maximum of 2 tries. If only the first one you didn't fail it badly, like you didn't lose 50% of the account, then you have a chance. So one thing I can tell you guys, let's say, for example, like worst case scenario, right? Let's say you fail 3 times. Worst case scenario. I'm just giving you guys the worst case scenario. I want you to understand. Let's say if you fail 3 times, if you fail 3 times, it depends on whichever platform you want to use. Let's say you use the ones we recommend, FTC. So far, I like these guys because of they have advanced trading platform, risk management system is better. They're able to listen to our clients as traders. So guys, let's say, for example, you fail 3 challenges. I think that would be how much? That would be $84, right? This $84, guys, from 10,000 account. If you're using FS code coupon code, that is how much you try to decrease the amount for you guys. We're still waiting for 5K accounts, but this is how much you can do currently. This is what we're working with. So let's say you fail 3 times. If you fail 3 times of this amount, that will be $252. Ne? Now, guys, this is one thing I want you to understand. You lost the funds on your account. Maybe you lost 10,000 USD. All those losses are covered by the firm. You only lost your account that you bought, the purchase account, because this is where you have to understand. The moment you pass your challenge, they refund you back your account because that is where they're able to mitigate the risk. So if you lose, they will take your purchase account, but if you win, they refund it back as well as your payouts. So let's say you lose this much, right? But guys, we teach you exactly what we're supposed to teach you. You're able to learn, you're able to execute and win like some of our other traders. We want to showcase more of you guys, want you guys to come more again. Let's say, for example, you're able to get like us, you have a 100K account, for example, and let's say we win 1 trade, right? With 1 trade, this is the thing, guys. We have an approach of what? We have an approach of, I like how TP explained, the crocodile approach. I think he can explain it better.
If you want to take trades, you need to understand your predator, whereby a crocodile has a higher kill rate than lions because they're waiting for their prey to come to drink water. And just like that, you know that you have a guaranteed trade to come. You just need to be patient and you attack. Boom. Just like that, you make money. That's exactly how we target profits.
Look, guys, how much you can lose to try to achieve how much, right? If you're able to kill it. And the moment you're able to achieve this, we want to have you here, host you here. If you buy whatever you buy, we don't care. Just flex, and we want you to show other people how you're also able to do it personally, because I know at the end of the day, guys, trading is a personal journey.
Yeah. And
personalities really also matter. You must, it's more like a journey to yourself. So some people might be a lot more similar to you and they can help you a lot more easier.
You can also now go back to analyze. For the previous 6 months, we've been running our sessions. People like Lucas Lukes. There's also a few people that we've seen here that
we can start getting funded.
We can already say that we're going to start getting funded. Those are the first people that we're just going to take the emails. Already, you're going to start seeing their journey. Every time we host the session, we see how they are, how they're going, so that you guys can also follow and we all change everyone's lives day by day, each and every.
And guys, I know some of you might be thinking you're not being honest. We already started with the last 3 from our experience, and I want to show you guys some proof as well. This is one of the guys. We already sent him. We told him that he needs to get the proof. He said he's from channel. He was able to win an account, and I sent him to the guy to basically get everything else. We just paid for the account and was able to get the account from like the login details, all those things, right? We don't have access to that. So it's able to get login details. It's already started. That's all we need, guys. We're going to check your progress. We're already starting doing 1%. 1% of 100,000 USD is like 1,000. It's making now $1,000. Oh, it was actually 10. It's a 25K account. Yeah, we got him 25K accounts. But you see, guys, another people were funding here as well. This one, I also waiting for feedback from him. He showed us proof that he can kill. Right, you see, I'm talking to this guy, he's making withdrawals, he's killing it, and that's how we give him this opportunity. That's the thing, guys. We want to help those who want to be helped, those who are ready to be helped, because this year, guys, we close the academy. We want to flex with you. You owe me your success. I'm giving you my time. nobody's paying me anymore for this, guys. Like the academy is closed, but the mentorship is continuing because we want your flex.
Yeah, the 2%.
This year we are demanding it. What we're gonna do first, I'm gonna first analyze gold for you guys and check gold. We're gonna check it out, just give it a small analysis, how we approach the market, teach you a little bit of that. And we're gonna continue from there. So guys, first things first, you know how we analyze. We only start from a high time frame to see the overall of the trade. And so far we can see that gold it's inside this consolidation area of some sort.
We can see it.
And that is like we've been doing this week to week, guys. You know how we do this. We try to spot our levels so that we can find sensitive areas. But now we want to focus a lot more on the current market.
Yes, wait, can you also cater for this? You know, overall, we know we have a bullish trend. That is why we knew overall we need to.
Can you take it from the other side?
No. It's better from this side. Better from this side because that's where the buys came in. That's where the buys came in.
Okay, it's fine.
This buys here.
Yeah.
Bam.
Okay, guys. Currently, gold is having what we had an impulse move, correction, impulse move, correction, impulse move. Right? It's not correcting towards the downside. We're still inside a bullish trend, and going back to a now more smaller time frame. Just take it out and see how it's performing. We can see, as well as that, guys. We had a bullish overall trend. But inside there, we have an impulse move, correction, making this a bearish trend. So it's a counter trending trend. And from there, we can also just check out what is the possible. Yo, it's so crazy. We'll see if I take it from there. Yo, it's going to be so crazy. Let me cater for the likely possibility, which is right here. I want to cater for the current market price because now I'm going towards me finding entries. So when it comes to entries, guys, it goes deeper to you identifying your trading level. So we're going to be trading around this region. That's the thing, guys. When you trade, you need to focus mainly that you can analyze top-down analysis to just see what is the overall movement, but your main focus will be 3 time frames. It can be 3 or 2. So if 2 time frames are in confluence, if 2 time frames are aligning, and also your strategy is aligning, it's a confirmed trade. That is basically also one of the tools that we use. So, for example, how we caught gold, it's also I'm going to show you guys.
Yeah, I want to show you guys also areas that we used, or the areas that we have currently under gold that we knew going to look at it basically when you trade.
Yeah, so we can see, guys, we had a trending trend, right? This is a bearish trending side, and we're looking for possible bullish momentum. So we had a counter trending trend. We had this in a trend, right? Because it's a counter trending trend. I don't have to put a lot on my charts.
Yeah,
we're doing that when we're looking for the trades. But now let's go deeper in terms of how do you go about finding those entries.
Yeah.
So guys, the first thing first, we need to see now, this is our time frame from 1 hour for us, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes. They must make sense. My 15 minutes, my 30 minutes, or my 1 hour chart must make sense for my entries. Now I've seen the overall, I'm now down looking for entries, right? So now from this level, how we're able to catch this one, we can see we're in a consolidation. So from there, it's a correction and impulse move correction, and we had a further impulse if we are going for an overall bullish trend, right? So from there, the trade was not really complicated. It was mainly because of NFP. That's the thing, guys. This week, funny fact, I think we took 3 trades.
Yeah, we only traded Monday and Friday.
Yeah, so imagine, guys, we had 100% win rate this week. This is the NFP, right? People want us to trade every single day.
Nah.
We traded 3 trades by the 100% win rate using a crocodile approach. Only trading when I clear setup.
The entry was alive and ready.
How many spikes do we have this week? How many losses did I avoid? Guys, let me tell you something about trading. The funny thing is this. People don't understand this about trading.
Understand it.
Right? Guys, when you're trading Forex, you knowing when not to trade is actually part of trading. You guys understand? Knowing when to trade and when not to trade, it's part of Forex trading, because knowing when not to trade, that is where you are saving money. You are protecting your capital. I've saved my money this week. I've only focused on my winning trades, and that's how I was able to.
Even someone was saying now NFP was manipulative. That's exactly what we waited for.
Yeah.
We waited for NFP to play out.
And guys,
immediately after that, we took
an
trade.
But that's the thing, guys. We had an entry which is we used to call it FS Gold Beginners Fundamental Strategy, whereby we trade after the rejection after the reaction. But now the thing about that also, it can work against you if there's whipsaws. Some days it can work against you with whipsaws. So when it comes to NFP, guys, you must really know this week it's risky nonetheless. There's a lot of ways to try to mitigate risk, but we know NFP is risky. It is what it is. It's a fact. So guys, how we're able to catch this trade, we were waiting for the market to cross this level. And then from there, NFP was very strong. We had a strong push came back and we took an entry, had a drawdown. We had a stop loss here. All this level, he didn't hit. We went back, he take profit.
Bro, you know, we can actually show the things that
He take profit. He take profit.
Show that took the trade. Like
We took an entry all the way from the bottom, bro.
Stop loss around,
And then from there, we had a re-entry from the rejection. Came back and he take profit.
Just like
once
that
again.
100K USD was made. Nasdaq as well. We killed Nasdaq as well, guys. Let me analyze Nasdaq. It's funny, guys, that Nasdaq and gold used to be opposite correlation pairs, but ever since 2023 started, Nasdaq and gold have been moving.
They're even moving in the same direction. Guys, I don't believe in correlation. I believe in giving each trading instrument its required attention. I believe everything instrument
correlation should
different.
last. It should only be an incentive to assist you.
Yeah.
It shouldn't really depend on correlation as a strategy.
Focus on 3 main pairs, guys.
Yeah.
That's the maximum I can give you. If you're trading a lot of things, focus on main 3. Like, let me tell you guys something funny, right? If you are trying to take all trades, you are not taking any trades. That's why you're losing. If you want to trade CHF, GBJPY today USD, tomorrow is XMX USD, tomorrow is GBJPY. There are so many, you don't even know what's what. You're not even trading because you're taking so many. Real trading is actually focusing on a few that pays you. That is the same thing in business, guys. A lot of things we are able to learn from trading is mainly business because we approach forex trading like business. So what works in business also works in forex trading. It's basically the same thing. How you need to always review our trades. We are reviewing our trades. Even our wins, we review them. What you can review, you don't improve. Even in a business, they are forced. They have to know they made money this month or didn't make money this month. Even out with forex trading, I must see why did I make wrong here. I approach it like a business, and that is how it's able to pay us like a business. But if you approach it like a hobby, let me tell you guys what a hobby is. A hobby is something you want to do when you feel like it. Like today, I'm in a good mood. Let me do that. But that thing, it's different. It's not a business. A hobby takes away your money. If you also approach forex like that, you also want to come only when you're in a good mood. You're probably going to do rubbish because already you're too excited. You know what happens when you're too excited. You see, that's how you end up losing, guys.
You know what your mother always tell you?
Fix that.
Too much excitement comes with what? You know that statement.
Yeah, comes with Christ.
Comes with Christ.
Hey,
so when we don't be too excited,
that one.
Keep it normal. Keep it safe. Keep it nice. I guess the bullish trend actually ended here.
For Nasdaq, yeah?
For Nasdaq wise, before we actually caught a new trend, we had a new continuous bullish momentum towards the upside because I feel like from here, Nasdaq broke above from here, creating a new momentum.
Okay.
All right, so let's go back. Let's look at Nasdaq there, guys.
So you're still on the daily time frame there?
I'm still on the daily time frame. Look at Nasdaq nicely there. This is how Nasdaq has been behaving. It's been changing, failing to respect the trend in terms of coming back down to retest. It broke above here, continue pushing back up. So we need to know, however, Nasdaq is still in a bullish trend. That is why the buyers are still stronger than the sellers, is because you need to know which trend you're in for you to understand what kind of attention you need to give a particular pair. Even the reason I took buys today, even though, as you guys know, most of you saw this. Most of you saw that Nasdaq today is at a double top. So expecting sales, right? That's exactly what you're expecting. Sales towards the downside, the market to do that. That's exactly what we all expect. But understand that we're in a bullish trend and we're still at a point of support here. I'm at a point whereby I know in a bullish trend, the market will respect buys. With sales, it's important for you to, that's why when I entered my trade, I made sure I put my stop loss so little, but my profit target so big, because I knew for the loss that I could basically be out, I'm going to wait for what now? If I was going to be out with the loss, I was going to wait for a retest and then enter the sell and maximize. Only if I would have taken the loss. So understanding that, I'm able to leverage on which type of trades I want to take. If I take this trade, what is the counterpart of that trade? What is the possibility or the likelihood of me making money from a loss? Because it's important for you guys to understand how much money you're going to make when you're right and how much money you're going to make when you're wrong. That's how you're able to basically understand forex trading.
And guys, great news. Those who are under 4.0, guys, 4.0 is also coming, like we promised. It's going to be a life changer. So that's it, guys. When it comes to you passing profit challenges, if you have ever scored 2.0, you can pass the challenge using a strategy. It works 100%. If you have ever scored 3.0, you can pass the challenge with an even higher win rate because we went deep on 3.0. And 4.0, guys, that's the last and not least. So sadly, it's closed. No one else can have unless under a few circumstances or exceptions. But that is when you can actually pass your account with ease. So the only thing is what guys teaching you how to approach the market. Before we start doing the interviews and getting you guys funded, just wanted to give you guys some last few tips because I believe that's what's necessary for you to help, to actually allow us to help you, right? You need to help us help you because you need to be helped. So the problem is what here? I want you guys to start understanding this. Whether you blow account or you lose money, I want you to start taking accountability. Blame yourself. Don't blame anyone. Start blaming yourself because that's the same thing I've seen. In Forex trading, I never blame anyone for any trade. If I lose, I blame myself so I can always be able to go back, look at it, and that's how you're going to improve. If you're not at a level whereby you're not able to take blame, that's another thing why you're not moving forward in trading, guys. From you not like removing your blame and taking your blame, you are saying that, right, you're trying to shift your mind from a quick mindset because if you blame someone, you're saying it's supposed to be easy, he made a mistake. You know what I mean? You have a get rich quick mindset, and that is how you lose in Forex trading because that kind of mindset is not what's going to help you. All people who are traders, who are more disciplined investors, don't have a get rich quick mindset. We know how this trading thing works. So another thing I always talk about, guys, is risk management, right? If you can't learn risk management, guys, the sad thing about it, it cannot always be taught. You have to sometimes learn it the hard way. Often we learn it the hard way because you have to grow an account to see, now I need to reduce my lot size when I'm basically having a low probability trade. Because most of the time, guys, some of you guys have great rules, but you don't even follow them. You don't trade those rules.
Yeah, that's the problem.
You don't trade those rules.
What you preach.
Yeah.
I feel that's one thing we need to start implementing, guys.
So the same thing, guys. If you're trying to reach target in a day, you are literally going against everything we teach, and that's why you're going to blow the account because you need to get to a point where you tone down your impatience. Guys, I was impatient before, but Forex trading told me to be patient. I'm patient. I can take 20 trades, for example, for me to pass phase one if I want to. I can take 5 trades. I can take 20 trades, depending on how much risk I'm going to be using per trade, right? I've toned down my impatience. I'm more patient. I'm committing to learning something real. Same thing with you guys. You need to commit to learning the Forex trading skill. You need to put in the work, and you're going to see what happens. Just going to see from there. So, guys, we're going to start with our first interview. One thing we're going to need from now, guys, Lucas, we're going to need your email. We're going to send the admin
Lucas,
in the group.
the people are
going to send us an email. You're getting a 50K account.
Can you send us your email? Do you have our, is there a point where you can text us? Our admin.
I'm going to send it in the group.
You're going to send it in the group. There.
Yeah. Can you type there on the comment section which group are you in, 2.0 or 3.0? If 2.0 is a Nasdaq or currencies, then I'm going to send admin in there. You're going to send me a text. I'm going to know it's you. 3.0, I'm going to send the admin. You're going to send me your email. You're the first one to get funded. There's also the other guy who was here. Is colored. I don't know if he's here today. If he's here, he can also comment. Kyle, you can also send your email.
Can you also send your email?
We've analyzed you. We've checked you.
Guys, we're talking about
putting you to the test.
Remember when we were doing the sessions for the previous 6 months, we said we're going to fund them already. We have to keep our promises. And we're going to get to the next people step by step, guys. Don't worry. We're here to stay. This is lifetime. Even in this group, you're with us forever.
Some of you guys, you're going to be able to see us old one day.
Not going anywhere.
Maybe I'm owning a yacht there, guys. Let me tell you guys something fun. You know you can become a billionaire trading Forex. Right. Hey, guys, the things we've seen. Hey, Forex is big. Forex is too much.
Change your lives, guys. Going to Forex, we promise.
All right.
So, who do we interview now?
Okay, guys, you're going to need you guys to raise your hands. Some already started.
Let's see. Guavuzela.
All right, ask you mute.
Hi, bro. It was butchering me.
Ask you mute. Guavuzela.
Bro, how are you, man?
Sure, how is this?
Good. Can you help me pronounce your name properly?
Hey, I'm good.
Yeah. Can you intro yourself, the introduction?
Yeah, and we can't see you, man.
We want to see your face, the young intro.
You could be a robot. We don't know.
Okay. Yeah.
What's happening, bro? What's happening?
Where are you from, bro? And want to know your name. Where are you from? What is your name?
Yeah. I'm Tutu. I'm from Durban, Guanyusa.
Okay.
So how long have you been trading Forex?
Hey, it's a long time, eh?
It's a long time.
But I think from 2020.
Seems like you're ready to get funded.
I think the problem is myself only.
Yourself.
Because it's not that hard to analyze. I think I'm perfect on analyzing, but trusting myself, I think that the problem.
On that, maybe you're able to do that. Can
Alright,
you?
Can we see the?
Are you on your
Are
PC?
you on the PC there? Let's see if maybe.
No.
Even if when you're on your phone, it can still work. Can you try to share screen? We want you to analyze for us. We're offering you an opportunity whereby if
can
we
fund you.
see that you are ready to get funded and you've proved that you have trading skills, you're gonna get free funding.
Today.
Could be a lucky day. So
Okay,
There's no right or wrong answer. Don't worry. We're here to help. If you're not doing right now, it's best to not get funded when you're not ready because we're going to waste the opportunity to make money. You see?
Yeah.
So
if you're not ready, you must tell us, I'm not ready, I'll wait for the next one. But because if you take the opportunity, you took it. If you fail, you failed.
and we're giving you ones at a time, guys, because we're buying those challenges. You can only buy one at a time and only once.
So
yeah.
Can you share your screen?
Okay, let me go to my trading view. Okay. You don't see my trading view?
No.
We're seeing your home screen.
We'll see the home screen.
Maybe the problem is on my side because I don't know how to.
It's
to
all
share
right.
it.
It's all right. It's all right. If you're having difficulties, then it's all right. We're gonna try again next time.
Yeah, the best thing we can advise, if you do have a laptop, join with a laptop next time. It can make things a lot more easier for you. You can miss on opportunities because you can be able to access anything.
Same time, same place.
But man, one thing we're happy about to see you are here. It shows that you're serious. If you're able to be here, we appreciate that. And we hope to see the most from you, man. Because you're saying you've been here for a long time, so you want to see those skills.
We want to see you successful. So right now, do not disappoint us. Next week, do the right things. Let's get you funded. Let's make money. Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, my brother.
Wait.
Okay, guys.
So going to Mr. Victor. He's saying he's ready.
Oh, I forgot.
Yeah, we do our sessions to Fridays, guys, because right now we're barely South Africa, guys. Every time in South Africa, we're going to make sure we have time, we create time, we find you guys, we change your lives, and we make money. Because we're going to Cape Town next week.
Mr. Victor.
Malta, and then so forth, so on.
I'm checking if he's here. Mr. Victor, I'm trying to unmute.
We're trying to unmute the. Can you hear us?
Hello.
Mr. Victor, bro.
Check your mic. Check your mic.
Wanna find you, bro. Guys, it seems Mr. Victor is experiencing network issues. Next time, my brother from Ghana. We're gonna see you next time. Nana Kwame signing out.
I'm going to go to Tristan. Reminds me of Tristan.
Yes. How's it, guys?
How are you, man? How are you doing?
Tristan,
I'm good, and you guys. Sorry, I just don't have a camera with me.
Yeah, but
bro,
I feel like you've joined using your phone.
No, I'm on PC.
Oh, okay, awesome.
Okay, one of the tweet brothers say. Okay, one of the tweet brothers. Hi, bro. Where are you from?
I'm good, and you guys.
I'm good. Where are you from?
I'm from Joburg, Randburg.
Joburg. All right.
Yes,
So, can you tell us about your trading journey? How long have you been trading, and when did you become part of the GOATs?
What are you facing?
I started 2020 lockdown. The first lockdown, I started learning how to trade, and I've been following you guys ever since. I think since you guys had 20 videos on YouTube. I've been following you guys since then.
Yeah, great. But man,
then.
you're saying what you don't have a camera on your PC, ne?
Yeah, I don't have a camera, unfortunately. It's not connected.
Okay. You can just switch on to
Share
screen.
Yeah,
right
can
now.
you share? Go to trading
Let's get
view.
straight to it.
Let's get down to the
Let's see
business.
do you think you're ready to get funded? What is still going to analyze? Do you think you're ready at that level, or you feel like going to wait?
Is it ready?
I believe I'm ready.
All right.
Okay.
Before we continue, I want to know first, according to you, what do you think you are struggling with?
I'd also say it is, like the previous guy said, probably myself. Just what do you call this? I wouldn't say mentality.
Psychology.
Psychology. There we go. That's the word I'm looking for. I know trading, you guys always say it's 80% psychology, 20% analysis.
Yeah, now it's time to put it to the test. Time to fix the psychology.
Let's fix the psychology, bro.
All right. Can you do for us a top-down analysis?
Let's see how you approach the market.
Yeah.
Because right now
I'll do one on gold.
we want to build a mindset of.
Okay, but we don't want you to do gold. We've done gold.
Yeah.
I want something different.
Yeah.
Guys, so you trade currencies, yeah?
Next time we're gonna start with Oyama. Women in FOREX.
Yes,
Oyama, we see you.
Okay, guys, recommend a currency pair you can analyze for us. GJ. Yes,
GJ. Yeah,
sir.
GJ. It's even right there. Hey, yeah, inside.
Okay, so usually I start on the daily. I don't go back too much, but start on the daily. I just draw the most obvious zones that I can see. And then I don't like making my chart too cluttered, but once I've drawn my most, how can I say, obvious zones, then I usually start looking for trend lines to put in. My trend lines, I usually go from the daily as well.
Okay. It's going all right.
And then I just go down to the 4 hour, usually draw extra trend lines as well, most recent price levels. And then I also see what other zones I can draw. Like this, I believe would start going down from here, especially if I look at
Bro, you're fast.
yeah, and then I usually go down to 1 hour, and this is where I take my entries. What I like doing is I like looking for break of clear zones. So this is a perfect example. If this can happen, then I'll definitely get in a trade here. What I usually do for confirmation is at a zone, if it breaks here and comes back, as long as on the 1 hour I can get a bearish engulfing candle, something like this, then I'll definitely enter this
I
trade
guess this
here.
is what I wanted to hear.
This is what I wanted to see, bro.
Okay, I guess
Yo, you came to the rescue, man.
Tristan is the next person to be funded. Let's just keep it short and simple.
Tristan.
Tristan, we're happy, bro.
Yes.
We have Entertain's Vara in the building, guys.
Yes, sir. You're the next person to be funded today, bro.
Congratulations, guys. So much. So, which group are you in? 2.0, if 2.0 currencies on Nasdaq, or 3.0?
Currently in 3.0.
3.0. All right, you're gonna send the admin. Please send the email as well. You can also screenshot yourself. Here's proof if you want to, just for confirmations. But congratulations, man. You're gonna be getting a funding account, 50K funding account. Next week, you're starting your journey. And hopefully it's gonna be a positive review.
You guys along the way, which trades to take, when to get out, how to treat like a crocodile, basically.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Congratulations,
thanks a lot,
bro.
guys.
I'm impressed.
I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.
Yes, sir, man. I just want to hear the road thank you when you're making the mind. That's what I'm waiting for.
All right, no problem. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
Next time. So,
okay, guys.
Oyama, the last one. Oyama for today, guys. So, I guess today can only be 3 people, guys.
No. It's not going to be 3. It's not going to be 3. It's okay for the sessions, but we're going to choose the last.
Choose the last 2 people. Like Sabelo, he unfortunately was not able to join the session. So
it's not, hey, if you don't join the session, you don't get funded.
But how are we going to do extra 2 people?
Don't worry, leave it to me.
Give the time.
Oyama.
Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm good. Did I say your name right? I don't know if I'm butchering your name.
Yeah, my name is Oyama.
Oyama.
Hey.
It's so nice. Where are you from?
I'm from the Eastern Cape in Pizana.
Oh, okay.
So how long have you been trading Forex?
I started since grade 10 when it was COVID, and now I'm in varsity first year. Yeah.
Hey, we have a lot of COVID traders, eh?
It's Can we see you there? Let's start the session there. Can you also share screen? Let's get straight to the point. Women in Forex, man. I'm happy about this. How long have you been trading?
Yeah.
Since like
I think
yes. I want to know the yes you think you've been in.
3 years, yeah. But I bought your course this year.
Oh, wow. Okay. That's amazing.
That's enough experience.
Right, that's enough experience. You might get fine.
Can you share a screen? Try share a screen. And also, can you also share a video? Why don't you share a video? Why don't you want us to see you?
What's going on?
We want to know you in real life.
No problem.
Guys, the thing is, we want to see you real life, guys. We want to see you there.
Because I want to see you life. Am I going to change? Understand? One day when I meet you on the road, I'm like, hey, you
buy me coke.
10,000
is too large.
Buy me coke. Nothing, bro. At the point by the enemy problem way, bro. I'm telling you.
Okay. Sorry, wow, you're able to do it.
Yeah, we can see it.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
I think I'm having network issues.
I see. You're not representing the females very well.
The ladies side.
But guys, okay, do you have a laptop?
Yeah, I do have a laptop.
Next
All right,
time you
next
must join with a
session next
laptop.
week, join with the laptop.
Yeah.
Join the session. We're starting with you. All right.
No problem. Thank you
All
very
right.
much.
All right. Thank you. Thank you for
Yama.
pulling through, man.
Next time, same place, same time. Next one, guys. We're seeing Shipiho from Namibia. We're also coming to Namibia, guys. We actually haven't been giving Namibia, enough chance. Because we've been going far, guys. I feel like we need to start now close. Botswana, Mozambique, Zimbabwe, Namibia, guys. We have to start closer, guys.
That's why mute.
10 hours flight. It's not a joke. It's not a joke.
Unless you find business class.
Hello.
Hello. How are you, man?
Hey, I'm good. What's up, guys?
We're good. We're good. Where are you calling us from?
I'm calling all the way from Buntu, from Namibia. And shout out to you guys. My name is Emmanuel too, but with an I.
Yeah, Emmanuel.
That's too much.
So my name is Emmanuel too with an I. So I
Man, you just put yourself on a very high pedestal.
Hey,
Because now I'm expecting Emmanuel things. Now, you understand?
you know what it is, man. You know what it is.
okay, you just so much shared
Share the screen there.
session. How long have you been trading?
Guys, I've been trading since like I started in 2018.
Yo.
Just got used, and it hasn't been easy because I haven't been doing the mentorship until I got to the 2.0. And like I say, I told Uncle FOREX that last time that you guys are like my superheroes. Like you guys are my super.
Yo, shout out, man. Shout out, appreciate it. It's too much.
It's crazy.
Let's make fun. This year, bro, we just want to change people's lives. Honestly speaking, man, it's lonely at the top. If the table is not filled up with people you trust and you make sure you change their lives, you know what I mean? So right now, I want to be at a point whereby I know any country I go, I have rich niggas.
I have rich friends in every country.
Yeah, understand? I just know when I get there, I'll get to operate nicely.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's exactly what I'm doing right now, bro. Changing people's lives.
So do you trade indices or currencies?
Yeah. Indices, mainly.
Okay.
Nasdaq,
Can you please
USD.
do USDT for us?
USD.
Nasdaq, unfortunately.
We'll
Next time.
dissected that one.
Yeah.
Let's go to
No
USD way.
But
So,
you know,
do you think you're ready to get funded? But also analyzing. Rating
Guys,
yourself.
I've been watching this video since the beginning of this year just to hop into that industry. I know that I am ready. I'm even trying to just try my practice accounts with FPMO just to get used to the concept and the idea. And I know if this opportunity comes, I can really represent Emmanuel's from Namibia.
you know the vibes. That's what I like to hear.
Like when preparation meets opportunity,
It's
that's
called
when
luck.
you have luck created right there, bro. You understand? So as long as you prepare for opportunity, when it comes, boom.
Yeah, like when Messi got a sponsorship or scholarship for soccer, he was ready. He was already a goat. So that's why it's like
got a sponsorship and then all of a sudden
they blow it.
now.
There's a lot of guys who know they had.
You understand? Yeah.
It cast is there.
But
They blew. Guys, we don't want that. We want you guys to capitalize, utilize the opportunities.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so can you do a top-down analysis? Yeah.
Okay. So I'll start from the daily time frame and just break it down. So we can see that if we switch to a line graph, just to make it much more simple, just to get our support and resistances. Let me just do this. Okay, so with my line graph, I will have my high over here. I'll have this low here, which is the lowest point. And then I will have this area, which is an area both of support and resistance, but it's more of a zone. So I'll use my rectangle for that specific area.
They're suffering from the
dissecting from a higher time.
I love that. I love that. I love your patience.
Yeah, understand.
The
Patience
charts.
to understand.
Sometimes I wanted to rush you, but your patience is still doing the things.
Okay. So I'll probably jump to my 4-hour time frame right now. For my daily time frame. Okay, let me just load. It's coming. Okay. So currently, right now, we can actually see that we're at quite at a sensitive area where we are. If we switch our and look at our just candlesticks, we can see a lot of rejection taking place at that area. And if we just take into consideration that that is a high, it's an area where there's a lot of selling pressure. Selling pressure from that.
When did Forex trading start in Namibia? When was it popularized? Like when was it popular?
I would say, yo guys, I don't know if you guys have heard of him, but that Amushilelo, he made it famous. He made it famous for us.
Around which year?
When was it? Like around what time? Like when was it?
He was popping in 2016, 2015.
That's why 2016. So you guys also got in the game early.
Yeah.
Because also it was popular this side around 2016.
Yeah.
Because we had Refrain, then we had FPK, and then everybody knew Forex.
We had Jesse Noah, and then boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, because it's not a lot of countries in Africa know Forex. It's mainly South Africa, Namibia, Kenya, Ghana, Nigeria, Botswana, Zimbabwe, Mozambique. These close ones, though.
Yeah. Like I haven't seen a lot of Tanzania.
There's a lot of people. There's a lot of people in Africa who don't know anything about trading. Even
Like
imagine, yeah. Guys, it's so sad.
So what I see here, where we currently are, like I said, we are now in that sensitive area. So basically, what is happening, we have a possible double top formation. But bearing in mind that this low must be broken, which is this guy over here.
Bro,
okay, bro.
Time is killing us. We're about a meeting.
It,
I'm happy. You're getting funded. Which group are you in? 2.0 or 3.0?
Are you?
Nasdaq.
I'm in Nasdaq 2.0.
Nasdaq 2.0. And I mean, it's going to be sent. Only you will get the email. Other people will try to send. I know how people are.
Yeah.
But I'm going to find you.
So that I can or just.
Are you guys? Come on, you guys.
Yeah, man, shout out. I hope to see your progress, man. Hopefully a lot of positive reviews. But so far, man, I'm happy. Let's get it. Your breakdown is enough. You give it enough time. We didn't get to the bottom of the gist, but it's fine. All the best, man. Thank you for putting through. Yeah. I see. I manual things. So far.
That's great.
Shout out. See,
got the funds. Don't worry. You funded.
I'm
so
here.
We chose Lucas. We chose Kaya Lechu, we chose Tristan, we chose lastly our bro Emmanuel with an I.
All right.
So, the last person.
Guys, the last person will be the colored guy that we had here. I'm sorry I forgot his name, but I'm gonna find him. He was here 2 times, ended up with the phone. He was ready to get funded. I'm gonna find him. He was ready. Yeah, I know him though. He always joins our sessions. I don't know if he's here today. But yeah, guys, from there, we're coming back again next week. We want to give you guys full time. We want to see.
Next time, it's gonna be
we want to see.
Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna change your lives. We promise you. Let's do the most.
Let's go, your mentor. Signing out. But the trading has improved. I'm happy about that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.